Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. You already know if I'm holding the camera like this, we're doing a vlog. That's what we're doing. Hello, welcome. Thank you for coming in and tuning into the video. Like and subscribe if you guys are enjoying my vlogs. We are gonna go through today because today's a Thursday. Today's a special day because it's, well, I don't know, it's just kind of Thursday. But definitely want to update you guys on some things going on. So first off, let me update you guys on the house. Okay, so I'm gonna play a clip right now and kind of talk about it, but here's some house clips. All right, I want to give you guys some progress on the house. This is the main garage entrance right here. And then to the right, this is the living room, kitchen, dining area as well. Kitchen's over there. That's gonna be my island. Living room. This is gonna be the backyard or yard area. And then this is supposed to be the entrance to the upstairs portion. Obviously there is no upstairs yet. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. It's pretty awesome. Got my hard hat on right here too. Well, I don't have it on, but we out here. New house vibes, new house, new home. Who this? So the house has been in construction for about a couple months now, and they've already got the foundation and the framing up. They just need to finish up the top layer, which I'm very, very excited about and seeing come to fruition. And it's just, again, it's just insane. I'm really, really happy that this is happening. It's my first house, a townhouse, and I'm really, really just excited. I just want to just hurry up and get in there because I want to build my office. I want to furnish it my way. I just want to do my own thing, my own personal Kevin Pack touch to it, right? So hopefully move-in is around August, September, hopefully August. And now we're just waiting and yeah, just finalizing that thing. Going through the loan process right now as well. I need to basically settle on who I want to use as my mortgage loan. And I kind of already decided on who it's gonna be, but the time to lock it in is probably gonna be around June, I believe. June or July, one of those months. So I'm gonna have to make that decision now. And yeah, so we're gonna wait for that to go through. But I also wanted to show you guys something that I think was pretty motivational to me, and I think it's gonna be motivational and inspirational for you guys to see what is really possible when you're out there doing your own thing, right? When you start making your own thing. So I actually wanted to go and show you guys what has been the most money I've ever made in a single month. So I want to show you guys that real quick. So again, I'm not doing this to brag or show off or anything like that. I really don't really care about that. I just really wanted to show you guys this because I wanted to show you what is actually seriously possible out there and what's pretty insane. So here we are. Boom. Take a look at that. In 2020 of December, I made a total of over $80,000. Obviously, most of it was from my Amazon business. Did a little bit from my mentorship, did some consulting coaching calls, YouTube, affiliates, and yeah, so here we are. That is the most money I've ever made in a single month. Profit, okay? This is profit, people. Take home. So that is the best month that I've ever had, and I definitely want to surpass that and hit over $100,000 in a single month. Now, obviously, this is not every single month. This is literally my best month ever. I wish it was every single month like that. I'd literally be set, but that's not every month. That's like my best month ever. On average, I'm probably doing around like 20K a month profit. So that's my best month ever in December, and I definitely want to, some of my goals with this is that I want to, number one, I want to surpass that. I definitely want to hit 6 figures in total income in a single month net profit, but also I'd like to make it more consistent because I definitely have a much more seasonal type of income because the products I sell are more in demand during Q4. So during the rest of the year, they're kind of like whatever, they're average. So I'm gonna try to take more of my profits and invest it back into my business, my Amazon business, that will bring income more towards the rest of the years, you know, Q1, Q2, Q3. So that's my goal right now. I've currently invested into 4 new SKUs right now, and I'm just waiting for that to all come in, and a little frustrating right now just because that is all I'm doing is just a waiting game, right? There's not much work for me to actually do. I'm just kind of like, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And manufacturing is taking like 30 days. Shipping is gonna be another 40. It's just a long process, right? It's just a lot of waiting, which I hate waiting. I'm an impatient person, okay? What can I say? Impatient, right? So that's kind of where I'm at right now, and I hope that motivates you guys because I didn't start with that. It didn't just happen. I built up to this after years of doing my business, and I hope you guys can realize that we all have to start somewhere, and you could also scale somewhere as well if you actually start, right? But nothing happens if you don't start. Now, another thing I wanted to touch on, because since I'm actually showing you guys my numbers, is this is more speaking for myself, but also I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this, is make sure that you don't compare yourself to others, right? And I've lately honestly been getting into the trap of this, and I've been feeling kind of like, wow, everyone's over here and they're way up here and I'm still at the bottom here. Like, why aren't I there yet? And it's a very unhealthy and kind of counterproductive way to be thinking, is what I've been realizing. And I think I could express that to you guys, and I think you guys can relate that. You know, it's easy to get caught up in comparing yourselves to other people with, you know, how much money they make or where their business is at or what they're doing with their life and stuff like that. It's very easy to compare and very easy to kind of discourage yourself. But I think one of the biggest things you have to do is revert yourself back, pull yourself back into reality, and remember, like, hey, like, I'm at where I'm at and that's okay. And also I need to be lasered in and focused, because if I do want to reach that level of where others are at that I look up to, I need to hone in and focus on here. I can't keep letting my mind wander off and wishing I was there. Instead of wishing, I need to be doing it instead. So that's more of like something that I've been thinking about lately, is, hey, like, you know, I have a lot of friends that are doing great and I'm so happy for them, super supportive of them. But hey, I need to focus on me, and I need to channel that all in and focus on staying low and just getting the work done right now, right? So all those goals I want to hit, I need to make sure that I'm zoning in. And you guys should also take in this: when you see my numbers, don't try to compare yourself and where you're at. Just hone in and use that as motivation. Like, hey, I can be there too. And if they're doing it, I can do it. And I can do this by focusing on what I'm doing now, right? So whatever is working now, whatever you're doing now, double down on it. Double down on it, keep doing it, and focus and be the best you can at it. Don't have your eggs in too many baskets. Don't have your mind wander in too many ways. Just focus on that one thing, right? So that is kind of my little rant that is for myself and also for others, because I know I'm human and other people can relate to that. So drop a comment down below if you guys can relate to something like that. And yeah, so we are now going to be heading to the gym because it is 11:30 a.m. and I just finished the majority of my work. I still have some meetings and coaching calls I have to do later, but it's way later in the day, so I have a huge gap. So we're gonna go to the gym now. Squat and bench, let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Justin, deadlift in there. We are doing some squats on the ER rack. Doing some squats today, pause squats. And we're gonna bench after. I think it's close grip bench. Let's get this workout done. Let's make some gains. All right, people, training is done. I'm about to grub up right now. Got some Wobble Grill, veggies, you know, meat, proteins, micronutrients. God damn, I can't talk sometimes, bro. But so grubbing up on that. I just uploaded a new TikTok. Alright, here we're almost at 18,000 followers, and I just uploaded this Be More Productive one, so follow me up on that. Major tip that you can learn to be more. Check it out, guys. So I'm gonna grub up on this, and then I'm gonna head home because we gotta supplement. We gotta fuel ourselves and eat good. When you eat good, you feel good, and everything else goes well. Yo, what's up, guys? Back at home. Wanted to give you guys an update before I start my coaching call right now. And then Oogie's over there, of course, always banging on the door, bugging because he wants to go outside. Leave me alone for a bit, huh? Can you just wait? He does that. He'll just bang on the door sometimes because usually he does have to go potty, but sometimes he'll do that just to go outside. And he doesn't even go. Like, I literally just let him out like 10 minutes ago. What's wrong with this guy? But business update right now. I want to give you guys an update on my sales so far. Here we go. Full refresh. over $700 for the day so far, over $22,000 in the last 30 days. Pretty happy with that so far. I definitely think I could do better, but with new products and SKUs coming in the next month or two, I think I could scale this further and further. All right, so honing in, focusing, putting all my chips in this right now. Well, not all my chips, but focusing on what works and continuing to do that. So that is what's going on. That's what's going on. But I'm gonna finish up the rest of my work. I'm not gonna have too much to do, and I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys kind of took something out of this, gained some type of value or entertainment, even if it just made you kind of, you know, swing by some time, you know, while you're eating something, a delicious meal of some sort, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and throw some comments in there. I love talking to you guys. You know how it is. Okay, guys, go make that money, and I'll see you later. Peace.